So I rarely buy body wash more than once. I switch it more than my underwear. But I bought this Harry's body wash 4 times. Yes, this one, Harry's. Four. Count 'em. Quattro. The smell doesn't dry my skin out, and I have psoriasis, so it's always bad. But Harry's does the job. I mean, check out the foam factor we got there. That's what you're looking for in your body wash. Look at that. One squirt. All you need. Do your whole body. Harry's won't let you down. And if this was 4D, the smell, sandalwood and cypress, giving you everything you want. Now, if you want to smell nice, take the advice of a guy who's dirty all the time. Blue collar, at its finest, Charlie the Handyman. Get yourself some Harry's body wash. Job done.